What is up, YouTube? It is Reagan here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something a little different. I've been on the hunt for the perfect foundation or beauty cream that will cover spots and blemishes. So if you've watched my other videos, you know that I'm a nurse. I wear my mask all the time and I've been having breakouts coming from it. If you look here, you see the dark spots. I have a spot here from wearing my glasses. So I like to use a concealer most of the time, but I also struggle with dryness. So I was interested in trying Patrick Starr's One Size BBB cream when I learned that it also helps with hydration and moisturization. The BBB cream boasts to be a beauty, blur, and balm cream. Definitely wanted to try it out with you guys to see how well it works and blends with dark skin, being that I am dark-skinned. Yes. So without further ado and further blabbing on, let's get into this. So here is the packaging. We have the Patrick Starr One Size BBB cream in the color dark to golden. So I started out with the dark to rose. It was way too red. It looked good in the store, but then when I got it home, I was like, I'm not really feeling it. So let's open the box here. They did an amazing job with packaging. I love the fact that it's red and a darker color, because when it goes into my makeup pouch, sometimes makeup gets on my stuff, and so it won't look dirty after being in the pouch for so long, but who cares about that? I do. I care about that kind of stuff. Okay, so before we get started, I'm gonna go in with my Skin Loving Primer for sensitive skin. I'm just gonna use my hands. I struggle with being dry, I feel like. And so I really wanted something that would act as a moisturizer as well, because I do have the texture issue, especially here under my eye. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use my hand for one side of my face to apply it, and then I'm gonna go in with my brush on the other side of my face. Basically, the directions tell you to apply to clean skin, which we did, prime or moisturize. So we primed. It also says to use your hands for a more natural look. You see me looking down because I want to make sure I hit all of the high points. So for a more natural look of this makeup, use your hands. For more medium coverage, you want to use your brush. So we have both of those here. The ingredients in this product come from white rose stem cells, which helps give it a meringue feel on your face. You guys know the meringue that your grandma used to make, put on top of the pies. Yeah, that. So it gives it that soft and supple feel. It has mango and avocado butter to hydrate and smooth the skin as well. And then the tint is 11%. Most foundations do start out with an 8% coverage, and 11% is higher, which helps with those texture issues. But we're gonna see if it's giving as far as being able to blend overall. So we're gonna open it here. So I am going to use my hands, and I'm just gonna get a little dab here, because really that's plenty, right? So we'll start off with one side. This is like probably too much for one side. So I'm gonna rub it together here, my fingertips, and just apply it. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love the way that this feels on my skin, y'all. I mean, if you don't have a moisturizer, it definitely feels like a moisturizer. It feels that soft and buttery and smooth going on. And as you can see, it's kind of smoothing things Now I do have a spot here, so we're just gonna go in. And a BBB cream is not supposed to be like a foundation, but it's great if it acts like it, right? Gosh. Okay, so that's the one side. What are we thinking? A, B, A, B. Don't know. And the other side, we're gonna go in with our brush. Definitely to this area we have here. I will be the first to tell you that I am not one to wear makeup all of the time. I usually just wear a concealer. So foundation is not in my regular rotation of things to do. Do we need a little more? I'm gonna get one little dab more. That was basically like maybe, oh, I did too much. One little dab more. Go here. Just to go back under my eye. I hope it's not too much. So I didn't really go down to my neck area, which could use some coverage as well. So there you have it. So on this side, we have the more medium coverage with the brush. We had the darker spot on this side that really needed to be covered. I don't have on any concealer, and as you can see, that spot is gone. Gone. I can't believe it. And you know, here where I use my fingers, you can see that there's a little bit of a lighter coverage here because you can still kind of see the spots, but it looks smoother. It looks more appealing. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face and come back with my final thoughts. Okay guys, here is my final look with the Patrick Starrr One Size BBB cream. The final thought is that I love the feel of this product on my face. It literally feels like I am wearing a moisturizer. My skin feels soft like a baby's bootay, velvety, marshmallowy. It has a shine effect that's not too much, but gives you kind of like that flat, dewy look. I'm absolutely in love with it. I have no concealer on under my eyes. You guys saw that spot that was under my eyes. It was really bad, but as you can see, you cannot see it. I love this product, but I do feel like my neck is not covered. I don't like to put makeup on my neck, guys. I mean, I know that in the makeup world, that's probably a thing, but I don't like to get stuff all on my clothes. I'm really big about that, and my pillowcases. And so if you go in to give somebody a hug and it ends up all on their shirt, that sucks because that's not cute. I want to wear makeup, but not feel like I'm wearing makeup. And so this kind of gives you that feel, but I'm hoping it doesn't rub off on everything. I did have that happen, but I was not wearing a primer either. So I have to see if the primer helps it stay in place more. But I will say this product is $33. It's well worth your $33 and worth adding to your collection. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe if you want other videos like this one. I'm definitely new to the makeup review world. I'm not the best at application, but I will give you my honest opinion on the products that I use that make my life better. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.